Hi everyone, my name is Paulette and this is my video on food consumption patterns in India versus Australia. My chosen case study is Bhuvan, whose geographic location and place of birth is India. India is a country that occupies the greater part of South Asia. It is a republic consisting of 29 states, each with a substantial degree of control over its own affairs. India's religious beliefs and culture have played an influential role in the evolution of its cuisine. Vegetarianism is widely practiced in many Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain communities. Many recipes first emerged during the initial Vedic period, when India was still heavily forested and agriculture was complemented with game hunting and products from the forest. In Vedic times, a normal diet consisted of fruit, vegetables, meat, grain, dairy products, and honey. Chutneys are thick condiments and spreads made from assorted fruits and vegetables such as tamarind and tomatoes, mint, cilantro, and other herbs which are used generously in Indian cooking. The staple food of most North India is a variety of lentils, vegetables, and roti, which is a wheat-based bread. Rice is a staple grain in eastern India as well as South India. The staple food of Goans is rice and fish, and the cuisine is mostly seafood-based. Kingfish is the most common delicacy. Others include pomfret, shark, tuna, and mackerel. A staple beverage throughout India is tea. While masala chai is a staple beverage across India, Indian filter coffee is especially popular in southern India. India's food is sophisticated by the use of many spices, vegetables, grains, and fruits grown across India. They are well known for their Indian curries. Popular spice mixes are garam masala, which is usually a powder of 5 or more dried spices. Every region has its own blend of garam masala. Garam masala is also a popular spice mix. Some leaves like cassia leaf, coriander leaf, fenugreek leaf, and mint leaf are commonly used. The use of curry leaves is typical of all South Indian cuisine. In sweet dishes, cardamom, nutmeg, saffron, and rose petal essence are used. The term curry is usually understood to mean gravy in India rather than spices. Diwali is the festival of lights, hanging diyas or lamps around their homes. Sweets are emphasized during Diwali celebrations, which is shown on the left-hand side of the slide. Candies and desserts come in many shapes, sizes, and flavors. Families are proud to serve treats different from the norm. It is common to see children eating toys made from candy. Rice, whole grain lentils, and a sweet sauce called mandi are also eaten at this time. Biryani, made from meat or vegetables and rice, is a popular festive food eaten by all. Most Hindus will avoid any non-vegetarian food at festivals. There are various similarities between Mexican and Indian cuisines, right from indigenous cooking tools, common native ingredients, to the method of preparations. While Mexican cuisine relies heavily on corn, rice, and beans, no Indian meal is complete without rice and dal. The staple diet of people from the northern states of India, especially Punjab and Haryana, is rajma, which are red kidney beans, with rice as well as makki di roti, unleavened flatbread made of corn like the Mexican corn tortilla. Chili is both fresh and dried. Tamarind and most of native spices, fruits, and vegetables of Mexico are native to India too. Chilies and pungent spices are extensively used in the cuisines of both the countries. Shown on this slide, the unusual aspect of India's culinary cultures are serving food on banana leaves and leaving a plate for Ali. Much of Indian food is eaten with fingers or bread used as utensils. There is a wide array of breads served with meals, including naan, a leavened, oven-baked flatbread, and bhatura, a fried fluffy flatbread common in North India and eaten with chickpea curry. India is the largest milk-producing country in the world with a production of 156 million tons of milk produced in 2015-16. Only 15% of milk production is processed by the organized sector. India is the home to the largest livestock population in the world with over 250 million cows and buffaloes. The focus is therefore to move towards improving the yield per animal. Opportunities for Australian dairy industry in India include export of management skills, technologies and services for feedlot dairy farms, training of farm managers and farm hands, cattle nutrition, breeding, rearing, fertility and disease management, veterinary skills and services, milk quality and safety. Staple food is one that is eaten regularly and in such quantities as to constitute the dominant part of the diet and supply a major proportion of energy and nutrient needs. In the Hindustani region, the staple foods include banana, bean, chickpea, citrus, cucumber, eggplant, mango, mustard, rice, and sugarcane. In India, about 150 wild plant species have been identified as sources of emergency food. The graph on the right shows the increase in food supplies of India from 2005 to 2013, similar to the increase of Australia. In June 2014, 397,180 Indian-born people were living in Australia, double the number in 2006. Australia's population rose by almost 350,000 to 24.2 million during the official end September 2016. This increase includes almost 200,000 migrants from India. Indian food was discovered when Australians began to travel through India during 1960s and 1970s. With the migration of Indian people to Australia, Indian food is found all across Australia with growing appreciation for its many regional variations. Australians also appreciate Indian spiritual influences such as yoga and meditation. Australians and Indians also share a common interest in the love of cricket.